Welcome to TourTown USA by City Manager. Here is a quick tutorial to help you get started. The object of the game is to be the first city to have 200 people come to your city. You gain people by getting businesses, attractions, and infrastructure to come to your city, attracting prominent groups or individuals, and through random growth at the end of each turn. The action takes place during rounds of 8 cards. A card counter shows you how many cards are left in the round. This is a business card. It adds people to your city. It also earns or loses income. This tells you how many people will come if you get this card in your city by outbidding other players. This is how much cash you currently have. This is how much cash is being bid for the business. Tapping one of these buttons increases your current bid by $1, $5, or $10. This shows how much time is left to bid. Businesses earn income at the end of each round. We call it a revenue system, and it is represented by the letter R. Each R that you have in your city is like dice. So if your city has 10 R between all of your businesses, that would be like rolling 10 dice. If every dice was 1, you would make $10. If every dice was 6, you would make $60. It's going to be somewhere between $10 and $60. It is possible to have negative R. This means you will lose money. This is very common early in the game when cities have few people in them. This business is worth anywhere from negative 2R to positive 3R based on the number of people in the city at the end of the round. If your city has 69 people or less, this business will cost you negative 2R each round. But once your city reaches 110, this business will start to earn cash for your city. Don't worry if you don't totally understand this right now. The important thing to know is that the more R you have, the more money you will make. Businesses also have categories. Categories are what attract people cards to your city. The more categories a business has, the more it will help you attract people cards. Notice that this card has 5 categories on it. Now let's talk about people cards. As I just said, they come to the city that has the most categories that they like. People cards sometimes add or take away people from your city. This card, for example, adds 4 people to your city. People cards come to the city with the most categories they like. This area is the preference battle screen. The preferences listed here are the categories that this people card likes. In this case, Dylan has the most things that Ty Cobb likes, so Ty Cobb will come to his city, causing an increase of 10 people. Some people cards will also add a category, which will help you attract even more people. There are also special cards in the game that do something unique. Just read the card text when one comes up and see what it does. I think that about covers it for now. The best way to learn is to play the game, so let's get started.